Okay, my friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and install a door seal on the BI series refrigerators. Now they're all the same. They do not use any screws. There's no tools needed. All you need to do is pull the gasket off like so, all the way around. Now, you can see here, this little section here is just called a dart, a D-A-R-T. Okay, and that dart fits in between these tracks of this piece here. All right, it's a retainer. Now, these retainers are screwed in, but you don't have to remove those. You just pull this all the way off. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this seal, I'm going to put it in, soak it in hot water, remove this crud with some citrus cleaner. That'll soften up the vinyl and take out some of this discoloration, and then I'm going to show you how to put it back on. Very simple. So here's another view of the back of it. Get a close look at that. So that section right there, you can see how it's formed. It fits in between those retainers. Okay, this is what I use, heavy duty citrus degreaser. You can buy these in small bottles. This particular container makes 56 gallons. So we're waiting for this water to get hot. And it is. And we're going to put a little plug in here. You don't need much. It's concentrated. That's about it. It's really hard. The vinyl's really hard. It's because it's, first of all, it's cold in the garage, but now you should wear gloves when you work with this citrus cleaner because it'll take the oils off your hands, the fingers, and dry it out. Just be cognizant of that. And then you could use a brush to clean it. Let me see, I'm going to show you where that section is, where the bottom of the door seal. See, now it's really soft because the heat has softened up the vinyl. So here's a section here. You can keep scrubbing this. You may not get all the discoloration out because it's mold, and the mold eats through the vinyl. It doesn't mean this door seal's bad. It just means that if you want a perfect door seal, then just change it. And you can only get these door seals from Sub-Zero. If you try to get them online, they're not going to be genuine Sub-Zero parts. I notice a lot of people go online and buy Sub-Zero parts, but they're not Sub-Zero parts. You can only get them from Sub-Zero. They don't sell them retail. Alright, at least not that I know of. So I'm going to just let this soak. I'm going to go run some errands. I'm going to come back, we're going to rinse it off and put it back on. Okay, so this has been soaking now for about 15-20 minutes. It's nice and clean, it's sanitized. Not sure if it's we got all the crud off it, but it's better than what it was. At least it's not, there's no germs on it. So let's check it. It's really soft, which is going to make it a lot easier to put in. It's got a little discoloration, but the refrigerator is, let's drain this and rinse it off. The refrigerator is a 2009. It's one of the early BIs. Because, of course, now Sub-Zero has a newer model called the CL. It's the newest one. Equally beautiful machine. So, I'm going to rinse this off. Okay, it's looking good. All right, now let all this water drain out. There's weep holes in the corners of these gaskets. You see the water coming out of there. Let that drain out. Okay. So, here we go. Just get on top like that, and you start to push the dart. Now, it doesn't matter which way this goes, the top and bottom are both the same. Okay, there's a little bit of debris on here because this is a magnet in here and it's picking up little pieces of metal. So what I like to do is get to the corner first and start pushing it in like that and work your way all the way around the door. Okay, you can see now, get that dart lined up, see, and then you push it in. You actually can feel it slide slide into place. The corners are the most important. That'll help you keep the door seal lined up because they do stretch when they're warm and soft. And then you can do a look-see and check it on the side. Okay, let me finish this up and then we'll wipe it down and we'll be done. Okay, I'm almost done here. All right, look on the bottom. It's in. So the final thing to do just double check it, make sure it's pushed all the way in. What we'll do is we'll take some citrus cleaner and just wipe that door seal down. Get my fingerprints off. And also, like I said, it's magnetic, so a lot of metal shavings around here in the shop. So it picks it up. All right. Now, if you put on a new seal, they can take a while to break in, especially if they have wrinkles on them. Now, final test. Beautiful. All right. That is how you take off and replace a door seal on a BI series. Now it's the same thing for all of them. They're all the same, even the ones with the drawers. We'll do the freezer next, and we'll go into our next video is going to cover all the ice making system parts, the ice maker, the reservoir, dispenser, the chute, and all that. And we'll see you on the next one.